After exercise 34A, our next topic is median. A very easy topic for you people. Okay. So the first is how to calculate median. Median, simply we are having a data and the data is raw data. So first we have to arrange that data either in ascending order or in descending order. Okay. After arranging, we have to count the terms. We have to count the terms. If we are having even terms, so the process is different. If we are having odd terms, then the process is different. I will show you by taking an example, or I am just solving question from exercise directly, because there is nothing much to explain on median. The same I have told you. Median means what? Simply a value within data which divides the data in equal. For example, if we are having 9, 7, 6, 14, 10, 4 and 11. So now this is your raw data. First we will arrange this data. So I am arranging this data in ascending order, smallest to largest. So the smallest number is here 4, then 6, then 7, then 9, then 10, then 11, then 14. Okay. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So n equals to 7. And as you know, 7 is the odd number. So in this data, simply 9 is the only number which is having 3 digits on left side and 3 digits on right side. That means ये जो पूरा डाटा है इसमें 9 जो है मिडिल नंबर है, जिसके पहले 3 डिजिट्स हैं, उसके बाद में भी 3 डिजिट्स हैं. तो ऑड में क्या होगा? ऑड में हमेशा आपको एक ऐसे नंबर मिलेगा. सो फॉर दिस डाटा योर रिक्वायर्ड मीडियन इज 9. टू फाइंड मीडियन इट्स कंपल्सरी दैट you should arrange data either in ascending or in descending. Okay, so this one is for odd. Now from exercise question number 1, find the median of. So we are having 5 questions there. So the first one is 11 terms, which is odd, so you can solve first. Then second one is also odd number. Then the third one is even. So question is 17, 23, 36, 12, 18, 23, 40 and 20. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 terms we are having here. 23 is repeating, that means you have to write 23 two times. So first arrange this data in ascending order. The first one is 12, then 18, then 20. Sorry, after 12 we are having 17. So 12, then 17, after, then we are having 18, then 20 we are having, then 23 and 23 two times. So 23 and 23. Okay, then 36. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The last number is 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, as you can see, n is 8 and 8 is even. 8 is even. So simply even number we are having. As you know, 8 is an even number. Half of 8 is 4. Okay, so the fourth term and next to it, fifth term will be median of this data. n equals to 8 है, 8 even number है. कोई भी even number अगर मिलता है तो आपको उसका हाफ करना है और वो टर्म सेलेक्ट करना है और उसके आगे वाला। फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आपको n मिलता है 12, मतलब टोटल 12 टर्म्स आपके पास हैं, तो 12 का हाफ होता है सिक्स्थ और सिक्स्थ के आगे आता है सेवन्थ। तो सिक्स्थ और सेवन्थ टर्म पे जो भी होगा वो मीडियन होगा। सो इन दिस क्वेश्चन सिंपली n की जो वैल्यू है वो 8 है और 8 का हाफ होता है 4, तो फोर्थ टर्म ये है और फोर्थ के आगे फिफ्थ टर्म ये है। सो द मीडियन इज 20 and 23. Now you can solve question number 1. Question number 2. Find the mean and the median. Find the mean and median. So question number 2, second I am solving here. So 10, 12, 12, 15, 15. Then 17, 18, 18 and 19. As you can see, this question is already arranged. Okay, so no need of arranging this question again. This question is arranged in ascending order, smaller to bigger. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry, 18 is 3 times. So 18 and the last one is 19. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So first we are finding mean. So mean equals to what? As you know, sum of all values divided by number of values. So sum of values means 10 plus 12 plus 12 plus 15 plus 15 plus 17 plus 18 plus 18 plus 18 plus 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means all the values we have taken, nothing is left. Then divide by 10. Okay. 154 upon 10. So from there 15.4 is your required mean. Now what about median? Simply for median, as you know, this is your data. Okay, so number of terms is 10, number of terms 10, so n equals to 10. Now half of 10, as you know, half of 10 is 5 and the term next to 5 is 6. 10th n की जो वैल्यू है 10 है, दैट मीन्स इसमें n में 10 टर्म्स हैं, पर्टिकुलर डाटा में 10 टर्म्स हैं, 10 का हाफ क्या होता है 5 होता है, तो फिफ्थ टर्म और फिफ्थ के आगे सिक्स्थ टर्म। सो इस क्वेश्चन में फिफ्थ टर्म जो है वो 15 है और जो सिक्स्थ टर्म है वो 17 है। ठीक है, अब इसकी एवरेज निकलेगी। एवरेज कैसे निकलेगी? 15 प्लस 17 डिवाइड बाय 2। सो 15 प्लस 17 32, 32 डिवाइड बाई 2, आंसर इज 16। इसके पहले क्वेश्चन में आई थिंक मैंने आपको एवरेज नहीं बताया था। ओके, सो अगर आपका मीडियन ऑड में आ रहा है तो डायरेक्टली आपको मिडिल वैल्यू लिखनी है, एवरेज फाइंड नहीं करना है। बट अगर आपके पास इवन टर्म्स हैं, ठीक है, और इवन टर्म्स में आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, पहले आपको ये चेक करना पड़ेगा कितने टर्म्स हैं। 10 टर्म्स हैं तो 10 का हाफ होता है 5 और 5 के आगे आता है 6, तो फिफ्थ टर्म और सिक्स्थ टर्म दोनों को ऐड करना है और डिवाइड बाय 2 करना है। दिस इज योर मीडियन। ओके, सो यू कैन सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। One more question I am solving here, that is 6th. Question number 2, 6th. 0.5, 5.6, 3.8, 4.9, 2.7 and 4.4. As you can see, this data is not arranged. So the first we will write 0.5. Then after we are having 2.7. Then we are having 3.8. Then we are having 4.4. Then we are having 4.5. Then 5.6. So now this data is arranged in ascending order. So the first we will find mean. As you know, mean equals to what? Sum of values divided by number of values. So the sum is 0.5 plus 2.7 plus 3.8 plus 4.4 plus 4.5 plus 5.6. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by 6. Now add this simply 0.5, 2.7. So 5 plus 7, 12 plus 8, 20 plus 4, 34. Then plus 5, 29, then plus 6, 35. Carry 3. 3 plus 0, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 4, 16, 16 plus 5, 21. So the answer is 21.5 divided by 6. Okay. So solve this. 21.5 divided by 6. 6 3 ja 18. Meaning 3. Decimal. So decimal. Bring 5 down. 5. 6 5 ja 30. Then 5. 0. 6 8 ja 48. 2. Okay. So 3.58 is your required mean. Now what about median? Simply, as you know, median means what? First you should know about the number of terms. So 6 terms we are having here. How many terms? 6 terms. And as you know, 6 is even. So half of 6. Half of 6 is 3. 6 का हाफ कितना होता है? 3 होता है. तो थर्ड टर्म और उसके आगे फोर्थ टर्म. Okay. So how we can write? Simply we can write median equals to 6 का हाफ थर्ड टर्म प्लस थर्ड टर्म का नेक्स्ट फोर्थ टर्म अपॉन 2. So third term is 3.8 and fourth term is 4.4. So 3.8 plus 4.4 divided by 2. Okay. Now add this 3.8 plus 4.4. Simply your answer is 8.2 divided by 2. So 4.1 is your required median. Now chapter 34 is over. If you are having any doubt, do message.